Hey, to factory reset Redmi A3, first of all you have to open settings. Now scroll all the way down and select system. From this you have to scroll into the reset options and select erase all data, factory reset. And as you can see now, we are going to erase all data from our phone storage, including our account, system and app data, and the settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. It's also recommended to remove your SIM card and the memory card from this phone. And after this, you have to click to erase all data, input your current screen lock, and then click to erase all data one more time. And after the process will be finished, it will take probably like 5 minutes. You will actually get this first setup screen, so you can actually set up your device one more time. If you have any issue with your smartphone, or for example just sell it to someone else. And that's all right now. Please subscribe.